Good evening. We've just arrived at our accommodation for the evening, our hotel for the evening. It's in Bournemouth. We've got this for the view. At the Best Western Carlton. We've been given a sea view and a misty view at that. Our room is about there, and we thought we'd pop out. A quick walk and perhaps something to eat. Bournemouth East Cliff Zigzag. Nearly at the bottom, and we can see the pier. Yay! Welcome to Bournemouth Beach. Look at all these huts. Very colourful. Considering the time of year, there's quite a few people on the beach. But you may have noticed most people have coats on. It's February. Now I'm going to have a wander around. Early evening in Bournemouth. Nice bar on the pier. You can zip line off there. Not today though. So we're at the far end of the pier. It's a little bit blustery. But a great walk. Bournemouth Beach stretches for miles. Elaine's checking out the cocktails. Oh, breakfast! So let's check out the breakfast. Alright, we can walk down in the morning. Not tonight. Good morning from Bournemouth. What a glorious morning. Sun is shining. We've got a lot to do and a lot to see. Before we head off, I thought we'd pop down to Bournemouth Beach. See what it's like first thing in the morning. When the sun's shining, one has to go down to the beach. There's the pier, looking glorious. A bit different to late yesterday afternoon. I have to take our coats off. Wow! This is a photograph of Bournemouth. We're way over here. It stretches all the way down there. Over there in the far distance is the Isle of Wight. We've been there quite a few times, but not in recent years. Be nice to go again one day. More beach huts for when the weather starts getting a little bit warmer. This is a perfect beachfront to either cycle, jog, or just stroll. And it goes on forever. It is really a long beach. If you're staying here, you've got nice views of the beach. Let's have a look on Boscombe Pier. Seaside chimes.
Ready?
Take it away. Hooray! Well
I
done.
enjoyed that.
Doodle door. Might be going there today or tomorrow. We've walked quite far. I think we've walked just over 3 miles along the beach. We can't believe how glorious it is. Are we going to walk to the Isle of Wight?
If we could, we could put a little bridge across.
Yeah, might have to take the ferry. They could do a bridge. Time to head back. and enjoy Bournemouth Beach from a different direction.